Flood warning Davao. Minor flood warning for the Davao River at Bangkerohan issued at 9:38 a.m. ADT on Tuesday, October 25, 2022. Flood warning number 10. Minor flooding continuing at Davao. Moderate to heavy rainfall from Saturday evening to early Monday, causing river level rises along the Davao River and its upper tributaries. Minor flooding is occurring along the Davao River at Bangkerohan, where minor flood peak was observed during Monday evening. A flood warning is also current for the enrichment at Olas, Davao City, and Matina Aplaya. Davao River minor flooding is occurring along the Davao River. The Davao River at Bangkerohan peak at 6.64 meters during Monday evening with minor flooding and is currently at 6.09 meters and slowly falling. The Davao River at Bangkerohan is expected to remain above the minor flood level with 4.20 meters during Tuesday and overnight into Wednesday. Flood safety advice. In life-threatening emergencies, call 911 immediately. If you require rescue assistance to evacuate or other emergency help, ring 911. Avoid drowning. Stay out of rising water. Seek refuge in the highest available place. Prevent damage into your vehicle. Move it under cover away from areas likely to flood. Avoid being swept away. Stay out of fast-flowing creeks and storm drains. Never drive, ride, or walk through flood water. Flood water can be deceptive and dangerous. For more emergency information, advice, and access to the latest river heights and rainfall observation and forecast, visit on Pag-asa Facebook page. Thank you.